Okay guys, so we've got a special treat today. We're going to be doing an open boxing of the RTX 3060 Ti 8 gig. This is the Asus Strix Gaming. Okay, let's have a look at this baby. Okay, so here we go. Here's our Strix box. Oh wow, this card is a whole lot bigger than I thought it was gonna be. And we got this awesome keychain. Comes with a keychain, guys. That's pretty kick-ass. A keychain ruler. Wow. Comes with some cable straps. This is actually way bigger than I thought it was going to be for a 3060. This is literally the exact same size as the 3080 that I had. Holy shit. Like, holy shit, guys. This is just freaking insane. I can't believe the size of this card for a 3060 series. Damn. Asus. Damn. That's all I have to say. Damn. So looks like we've got 2 HDMI and 3 DisplayPort on this sucker. It does have RGB lighting. As far as I know, it's this. Looks like it's going to be the RTX as well. Okay, so this does say remove protective film before use. Jeez, damn, guys. 2 8-pins. This is the 3060. Like, I'm floored. I'm literally floored at the size of this thing. Holy. Like, in comparison, guys, I don't even have something here big enough to show you. Like, I'll put it beside, this is an RX 580. In the back system here. That's an RX 580. This is the RTX 3060. I really hope you guys can see that. This is insane. I can't even wait to see how this card performs. Comes with a keychain. I'm even more floored about that. You'll be seeing this on the Audi key. That's my new keychain. Okay guys, like, share, and subscribe, and you'll see what we do with this.